Hello! Welcome to English Mind. Here you will find vocabulary tips for everyday use, phrases for beginners, dialogues, and much more. Today we are going to talk about my family and learn more about family vocabulary in English. Let's go! Don't forget to turn on subtitles in your language. This is my husband, Mike. He is very caring and hardworking. This is my daughter, Megan. She is intelligent and very creative. This is my daughter, Sarah. She is kind and very sweet. And this is my son, Daniel. He is cheerful and full of energy. This is my husband, Mike. He works a lot as an engineer. Very hardworking and responsible. He loves his family and always helps us. I am very proud of him. This is my daughter, Megan. She is intelligent and very creative. She loves studying and learning new things. She likes drawing and reading in her free time. This is my daughter, Sarah. She is kind and very sweet. She always helps at home and cares about other people. She loves spending time with her family. And this is my son, Daniel. He is cheerful and full of energy. He loves playing, running, and having fun. He is always smiling and brings joy to our home. These are my siblings. This is my sister, Anna. She is kind and very organized. She works as a teacher and loves helping people learn. And this is my brother, Jake. He is friendly and hardworking. He works as a computer technician and enjoys solving problems. These are my parents. This is my mother, Linda. She is loving and very caring. She always takes care of our family. And this is my father, Robert. He is calm and enjoys spending time with the family. He loves taking care of the garden. These are my aunt and uncle. This is my Aunt Mary. She is friendly and very caring. She loves talking with the family. And this is my uncle, John. He is funny and very kind. He always makes everyone laugh. These are my cousins. This is my cousin, Tom. He is funny and loves making jokes. This is my cousin, Emily. She is creative and enjoys drawing. This is my cousin, James. He is athletic and enjoys playing sports. This is my cousin, Sophia. She is kind and loves helping others. And this is my cousin, Lucas. He is adventurous and loves traveling. These are my grandparents. This is my grandmother, Helen. She is loving and very gentle. She loves cooking for the family. And this is my grandfather, George. He is calm and wise. He loves telling stories and spending time with the family. Family vocabulary: father, mother, parents, son, daughter, brother, sister, siblings, baby, grandfather, grandmother, grandparents, grandson, granddaughter, grandchildren, other relatives, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, husband, wife, partner, boyfriend, girlfriend. Family by marriage: father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Now let's see a dialogue using family vocabulary to understand it better.
Hello, how are you today? It's been a while since we last talked.
Hi, teacher. I'm doing well. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about my family.
That's nice to hear. And how is your family doing? Are your parents well?
Yes, they are. My mother recently retired, and my father is still working, but living a very calm life.
Glad to hear that. And do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings. One of my brothers lives in another city because of his job, and my younger sister is still studying.
I see. And what about your grandparents? Do you still spend time with them?
Yes, my grandparents on my mother's side are very old, but they love it when the whole family gets together.
That's wonderful. And your aunts, uncles, and cousins, do you see them often?
Quite often, my uncles love organizing picnics, and of course, my cousins always show up too.
It sounds like your family is very close.
Yes, we are. And how is your family, teacher?
They're doing well. My wife is still working in her field, and my son just started high school. We also visit my nephews every weekend.
That's great. I love hearing about the families of people I admire.
Thank you. Talking about family always warms the heart.
Let's practice pronunciation. Now imagine you are Emma. Say her sentences out loud.
Who is in your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? How many siblings do you have? Do you live with your parents? Do you have grandparents? Do you have cousins?
Now let's move on to a challenge. Try to guess who this person is using the vocabulary we learned today. Who is this person? Thank you for watching this video until the end. Subscribe to the channel to keep learning English with tips, vocabulary, practice, challenges, and much more. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!